Okay, Gio, tell us where we are.
So we are in Farringdon at the moment, as we have crumbs in my home. There we go.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Mine, that's yours. How long do we have? Let's see. 20 minutes.
So Gio made us get the 6:30 train this morning, which is why this coffee feels like water. But nevertheless, it's going to be a really good day with a really good shoot. How long are we shooting for today, this morning?
3.5 hours.
And then what we're going to do is just walk around London and get some really nice shots. Yeah, we're basically going to do a little like filming photography trip around London today in the sun. It's going to be amazing. But first, we have to caffeinate and work. So today, I'm assisting Gio. I've never assisted Gio before, so we'll see how this goes. Gio's always the one who assists me. How the tables have turned. The student has become the master. He said he was feeling nervous. I think it'll be fine. Is it this one?
No.
Okay. I don't think there's anything to worry about. Right?
I hope so. I really hope so.
Oh, it's so small.
I know. I actually didn't realise it was this small.
Please mind the door.
Wow.
Doors closing.
Well, this is very intimate.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Imagine if you were in here with a stranger.
I know.
I love these tables, and look how great they look against this sofa. Yeah. I also love this bookshelf. Real Scandi vibes.
Now I'm thinking.
Now you're thinking.
Now I'm thinking.
What about all the other times?
Never. Just started.
We are in the coolest office space. It's so nice, which makes for great places to take some portraits of the staff workers here. It's amazing. Gio's doing a really good job as well. Well done, Gio. I can hear him, he's so loud. We've just finished our shoot, which is awesome. It went really well, didn't it, Gio?
It really did. I'm really happy with it.
Wow.
What we got.
He has to say that.
Actually went terribly. No, I'm joking.
No, everyone was so photogenic, it was amazing.
Yeah, definitely.
Photogenic people of Farringdon, basically. But now, just fucking starving. So we were recommended down here is like stalls of like all different kinds of street food. So I might get some vegan food, we'll see.
I might get some Caribbean, some Turkish, some everything.
Let's go get some food. Gio just kicked the dog.
No, I didn't. It was a mistake.
What you got?
We got vegan wrap. It looked just absolutely delicious, so I just had to go for it.
Oh my god.
What's that?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you for your help. It got some on your nose.
Oh yeah.
Right, so we've just come out to Westminster. Big Ben looks incredible today.
It's actually quite big.
It's actually quite big. Gio's so desperate for coffee.
now.
Oh, nice. This is how much me and Gio have pedalled. Well, actually that is a really visual representation of how much we've pedalled.
Yeah.
Really
Thanks,
nice.
guys. Really
Thank you
Good
so
luck.
much. Best of luck with all the rest of it.
Thank you very much.
Hopefully see you at your private view.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Right, well that was sick.
That was really
That was
good.
so much fun. I hope she gets all the power she needs, and I hope she manages to finish her 15 pieces that she needs to do. She's apparently done 3, but anyway, I'll link all of her details down below. We're going to go back home now to Brighton.
Yay.
So I'll
To be honest, I'm loving London at the moment.
yeah, let's stay. Anyway, I'll sign off here because all we're doing is sitting on a train and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I hope today's been interesting for you. See a bit of my work, Gio's work, see sunny London at its best, I think, and all the usual stuff of give us a thumbs up if you like this video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next vlog. Okay, thanks so much guys, bye.